So we're continuing our discussion on how to use containers to control the layout of a dialog component, and next we'd like to take the controls in this frame control over here and put them in two side-by-side columns. So we'll go back to design mode and we'll choose, say, fields 11 through 13, and we'll put those in a container. And then we'll choose fields 14 through 15, put those in a container, and then go to the container end for the first container and turn off the line break. And so now when we go to working preview, we see two side-by-side containers. So now let's go and put the entire dialog in a container. So we'll start here at the very beginning and we'll select all the way to the end, and let's actually go here and put this in a frame. And we'll just call this, say, my dialog, and then switch over to working preview. So now you can see we have the entire dialog in a frame container. And then let's go to, say, other controls, and then go put some static text above that frame, and we'll go here to the static text and say this is my dialog, which we can then go ahead now and save. So you can see how it looks. And now let's go and assign a class to that piece of static text. So we'll go here and we'll say dialog heading, and if we bring that up, you can see that there's dialog heading is now assigned to that static text element. And if I press edit, I can now go and actually define what this class name does. So let's go over to code view, and I'll go here and type in, say, dialog heading, and then color red, and let's go ahead now and view it. And so we see now that the title is red because we've defined those characteristics, those attributes for this class. We can go and define the class by going here to properties, and you can see here now we have in our local class, in our local CSS definition, here's dialog heading, and then let's go and make it into, say, 20 point, and let's make it bold, and I guess that'll be good enough. So let's go now to working preview, and we can see now that we've affected the class of the title as well. So what we've shown in this this somewhat contrived example is how you can use containers, different types of containers, frames, tabs, and accordions, to lay out the controls in your dialog. And the important point about these dialog layout is that they are what we call liquid layouts, so that if the screen size of the browser that you're displaying them on is less than you anticipated at design time, the layout of the dialog automatically adjusts itself, so that controls that don't have enough room to flow from left to right will then start flowing from top to bottom, and nothing will get clipped. So thanks very much.